Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers, for using our videos, our TEDx talk, our information website, for educating your students on safety, on sexual assault prevention, on how to be safe on a date, on campus, in high school, junior high school, elementary school. We applaud you. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank you so much for allowing us to be part of your education for your students. It's very, very important. These students, they need guidance, especially the ones that are not safe at home. If you don't already know, Osso Safe Kids, everyone is an Osso Safe Kid. All kids are Osso Safe, whether they are safe at home or not. So we're trying to unify all kids. All kids are Osso Safe Kids. So I want to thank you for using our material to educate your students in any capacity. We really, really appreciate it. So I just wanted to thank you. Sabrina Osso here from Osso Safe.